Hello guys, my name is Annie. I hope you all have a great day so far. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm doing DIY fashion. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to see new video every Thursday. March just gone by and April is officially here. In this month, I decided to make 4 episodes about decorating clothes idea to give your boring clothes new life. And first idea will be painting on denim skirt. I have done similar things like this before, but this time a little bit high level. Okay, let's get started. I love painting, but not good at. I just draw and paint what I'm feeling. Basically freestyle. I often refer to the ideas on Pinterest. I'm obsessed with face. Then I'm going to painting a woman face with flowers on her head. Please draw anything you like. We need some stuff before starting. Pencil, some kind of brush, acrylic colors, and a small acrylic color storage tray. Do you remember this denim skirt? This one which were I downside at the last episode. You can click link over here to see. Now I'm painting on it. First, I use pencil to draw face, to symbolize. Now I use black color to overlapping on the line of common face. Then I'm going to paint flowers on her head with bright colors, red, light yellow, dark yellow, brown, etc. Actually, it's everything color that I got, and I mix up some color together to make new color like pink, but those red. Next, I use white color to paint on to make them more like flowers, but you have to let them dry at least 30 minutes before add another colors on it. Now, I use black color to paint her hair. And then just adding some leaves with green on her forehead and between these flowers. While waiting her hair drying, I'm going to add some lipstick on her lip and some blush on her cheek with red. Okay, when her hair dry, I'm drawing a bunch of leaves falling down her face. And some leaves around on the top. Okay, so I'm done. Here's the final result. I think it looks so cool, right? Hope you enjoyed my tutorial and see you next week. Bye!